Okay everyone, so this is going to be the second mod to the bike. I am going to end up changing the seat out. So I did get a new one in, and the one that I picked that is in this box right here, there's a of the box, and as you can see I did go with the Saddlemen. So I'm going to be putting another Saddlemen seat on it. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. I'm going to set everything up and show you the unboxing of the seat and let everyone look at it. Hopefully this is the right one. Again, I haven't opened it up yet, so hopefully it'll fit the bike the way it's supposed to, and we'll go from there. So give me just a second, I'll get set up and we'll do an unboxing. So here it is. We're going to go ahead and open the box, being very careful not to mess anything up, cut anything. So hopefully this is the right seat. There's the bottom side of it. Pull it out, make sure I'm not leaving anything else in the box. I'll just slide that up there out of the way. We'll go ahead and cut this wire tie right here. Set it up there out the way. Go ahead and pull it out of the box, and there it is. The Saddlemen Step Up. So we'll get this set up. I'm gonna have to do a couple things. I'll have to go get the right Allen key and move that over. So give me just a second and I'll be right back. So on this right here, you got to remove and rotate. So it's the way it's shipped. So I'll go ahead and cut that, get that out the way. They give you a nice rubbery washer right there to help put on there. So really all you do is, y'all haven't put one of these on before, put that there. Do that, and then all you do is just rotate this and then screw it back down. They're pretty good. And I'm just snugging these up, everyone. I'm not tightening these up like I would if I was bolting a set of heads down on a old pickup truck. I wouldn't be torquing them that hard. Just nice and good and snug. So all right, so now we're going to I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Look at that. Being very gentle, not to cut anything. If y'all look at the quality on this, this thing has rubber mounted feet in all the places to be able to help bolt everything, or to help support everything. Very very stout. But a good looking seat. This is a very good looking seat. So so anyway, I'm gonna go over here and pull the other off, and I will show you a little trick I learned a long time ago of how to move some of these nuts and all in on your motorcycle that is in a hard to get to place. So I'll show you a cheat method of moving this to here and putting that back there. So let me get the tripod moved over and I'll show you all that. Okay everyone, so I'm gonna remove this Phillips head bolt right here. Go ahead and remove it. Set it over here by the seat. gonna pop that out. So the old seat is off. So I'm gonna see if I can get this to do my little trick. I'm gonna drop this string down through here if it's not too big. Maybe too big, I don't know. I can get this to drop through the hole and come out the bottom side. I'll show you a trick. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'll pull that through. I'll tie me a knot. I'll tie 2 knots in it just to be safe. I'm gonna pull that back up. So I'm gonna remove that. That popped out. I'm gonna set it over here. I'm gonna see, I don't think that's gonna be too hard to pop out. Pull that little clip out with my fingers. As you see right there, just pops right out. I'm gonna set it right here. And I'm gonna let this drop down. I'll grab it, pull it back through. So what you see is I got that piece right there. I just tied a little knot in it. So easy way of doing that. So now what I'm gonna do is reach back up under here under the bike, put that in. We'll pull that up. Oh, let me show you something real quick too. So if you look right here, there's a little indentation right there on that, and there's one in the hole, right? So that's what keeps it from twisting when you go to pull it up. So all you do is make sure that matches up to the hole, and we'll pull that up. See, I got that pulled up. I'm gonna take my little plastic piece, put it back in there, and that's all there is to it. So now I can reach up under here and pull my string out. It's knotting up on me right there. So I can take care of that. Pull that out, now I've got that piece there. Now what I'll do is, if you look, you'll need to put this piece back in this hole. There's these little tabs. There's one that's shorter. That'll go toward this little front spot. You'll put it in right there, just pop it in. So that part is done. So now for the seat. So let's put this down on here. See how this thing lines up. So it acts like it's, there it goes. So I'm gonna put this rubber piece down here to help protect it. Take the screw. Tighten that down, and the seat is on. So now we're going to do a quick little walk around. And kind of see how it fits. So it looks pretty good. It does change the look of the bike. So, all right, so now I'm gonna sit on the bike and give you my first impressions. So here we are. I'm gonna just sit on the bike and give you my my initial impressions. So I will say that it does push you up just a little bit, so I don't sit down and in the bike quite as much as I did on the stock seat. It is a lot firmer, but that's why you buy a Saddlemen, right? You want the firmness, but also the support and the cushion and all. So initial first impressions, I like it. I think it gives you some support back here in the back. I think that it actually moves me up to where my legs feel a little bit more comfortable too. So I'm not quite as scrunched up. They're not up this way as much. They are down, you know, a little bit more level. So yes. So my initial thoughts just sitting on it without riding it is it seems like it's going to be a pretty comfortable seat. And what I'll do is I'll put some miles on it, and then I'll come back and compare this seat to my Saddlemen SDC Pro seat. And I'll also compare it to the Dominator, the Saddlemen Dominator solo seat that I have, and let everybody know which ones I like the best. But I do believe that this is a good seat for this bike. You know, everybody has different tastes, but so far, just initial sitting on it, I know it's going to take a little bit to break in. It probably took a good 1,000 miles to break in my other seat to where I actually feel that it's really comfortable. So by the time I get my 1,000-mile service done on this bike, I should be able to have it broke in and do a review for everyone. So anyway, if you would please like and subscribe, I do appreciate it. I hope everybody has a blessed day, and I will do a quick walk around and let everyone look. So just a real quick look at the bike. That seat actually makes a world of difference in the way the bike looks. So I'm already digging the look a lot better now than I was with the stock seat. I actually like that. So another angle. I did post a video, everyone. If y'all would please look at it, give me your thoughts and opinions on the risers, and I'll end up doing that mod. But this is what the bike looks like. So again, I hope everyone has a blessed day, and please like and subscribe.